Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to hear is extremely important. And make sure you share this with all your friends and family.
Oh!
What's up, guys? The boy Silas coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Are we there with another?
Why you do it, John Tom? Oh!
Bang! Yeah! But as usual, guys, right before getting out, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Peeps, we there. Yeah, we there. Ready? No more itching. Yeah, man, we there, man. We there. Shout out to all of the real supporters, the mama and my peeps, them, you know what I mean? Yeah. We not go through some valley and some ups and downs, but we want to hold the faith and we there in a prayer. Yeah, man. So good morning to you beautiful people. No more itching. L.A. Lewis, back at it again. So make we watch a video and see what I want, you know. Let's go.
Documents, officer. Oh, no, officer. Remember, sir, I'm a Maroon, you know. Say I just chop go chop my beer mother. So we flag here and everything. You understand? And some identification here. Yeah, I'm just traveling to check some people down the road here, so as well as the family. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a Maroon. So the jurisdiction and two different one. And so I'm a flag here too.
You have a flag?
Yeah, we have a flag. Yes.
You know we have a pandemic, right?
Yes, we know we have a pandemic. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, officer. Alright, big up yourself, Scotty. Yes, man. Alright, so people, just wanna see it? Yeah, man, let's big up the soldier them too. So, because the jurisdiction people is a different thing, so that's a roadblock people, so you understand? So we the Maroon, we don't have the jurisdiction people with the Jamaican government. So a lot of police know it and people because see that yeah, the first thing the police said, the jurisdiction different. So that's why them don't want enough of the police, them people forget the thing we call now the constitution. Yeah, people see that because remember, you know, I'm traveling, I'm not driving, I have a Maroon flag. So, and this is not the first one, people. This is about the 15th that I get now. So 15th that I get people from last week till now. You understand? So Nyanke Pong people, you see it here. So once you can show your identification, you understand? As I say, police and the soldier them there, but the officer himself know some Maroon not under the jurisdiction of the Jamaican government. So I'm traveling, you understand? So I'm glad on the so go and still people, you understand? But I still have to turn off the camera again because these people who may carry some look provision go give now and some things go give, them do not want you people to know so them nothing not go after them because I want it to be Maroon people who are proud. You understand? We have a proudness about you I say go. You understand? So pin this on for me now because should have looked for it not too long enough. So once you have your Maroon identification card on your people, you understand? So I want to stop me get people. I'm gonna believe this is not the first one. I'm gonna probably get about 6 more before me finish doing me though. This is about a couple of them I get from morning. So most of the police them know about it because I'm sure what go on now. You see, when the government do not teach the
alright people, let me know your thoughts on the matter. Louis pull out a Maroon ID. I didn't know say Maroon people have their own ID, you know about the jurisdiction and them stuff there. You know? Let me know your thoughts on it. Please enlighten me. If you don't know anything else in the comment section. No more itching. Next video now.
Went on a date with a beautiful doctor that I met. She said, "Where are you from?" I said, "Brooklyn." She's like, "Oh, I thought you were Caribbean." Thank God. All those men do is cheat. I said, "Lord God, my girl. Anyway, you call my phone and a woman pick up, you better change up your voice and say, "Lo siento, wrong number, lo siento, sorry, wrong number." And my wife ignorant of her that. I should mash up blood clot, girl. Enjoy the ride though, queen. Enjoy it. Mi mamá. Vaya posea. No se vino.
If you fuck cash, I go up me lick you down. If you the man go up me lick you down. I mean I tell the man to buy no food at your restaurant to go suck.
Oh!
What? Yeah man peeps. You know it's a short little vlog and thing today. But I try find whole heap of content and thing, but me never find things. But guess what? Enough of the things that me can't post them up. There's a lot of violent thing and controversial thing where YouTube I got really flag and I don't want to get myself in under trouble, you know? So it's a short video, get back the pot bubbling and thing. As I say peeps, a whole heap of things me there go through and thing, you know, even including what my uncle them even pass on to. Rest in peace Uncle B, you know what I mean? Yes, a bag of things they reach me. Black Roy, but I still did a stream on my next channel and a bag of things did even happen over there, so some misunderstanding and perceptions and one bag of things did happen. Peeps, but guess what? I still a press on, I still a go and hold the faith and me there too. If you people want to know what I've been up to recently, you can go check out my gaming channel. I drop 2 vlogs over there with me and Miss Sinus. Yeah. So go check out them 2 vlogs there over my gaming channel with me and Miss Sinus. You know, so me there. Stay tuned for more vlogs where I start to kick it off back on a regular and just stay consistent and just go 100% because I know enough people miss out on this. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter and all of the video them. I'm not 100% also, so guys, my Sinus Adrian, yeah, that word, my name is Sinus, I'm a Sinus Adrian. But anyway, me there, I go and kick it back and I focus on recovering and thing. So, yeah, me there. Thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself and just go and journey with your boy. Hey!
You've been on my mind, yeah. I want you, I can't lose.